Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're going to be using my DREO ChefMaker again to make some spinach and cheese stuffed chicken breasts. Let's go. Alright, we are going to get started by putting some cream cheese in a bowl. And this would be easier if you left your cream cheese out for a little bit to let it warm up to room temperature, just so it's a little easier to mix. But if it's cold, you just have to do some extra stirring. Now to that, the recipe calls for 1/4 cup of mozzarella and 1/4 cup of Parmesan. I only have a little bit of Parmesan, so I'm going to do double the mozzarella and then just add in the little bit that's left of my Parmesan here. Not very much. And then we're going to add in a pinch of salt, maybe 2. And a big pinch of black pepper, like that. And then we're just going to mix this all together just to get it kind of evenly distributed before we add our spinach. I just threw this in the microwave for about 30 seconds and it made it so much easier to stir because I did not let my cream cheese sit out for a little while. It's going to get baked anyway, so it doesn't matter if it starts melting. Okay, then it calls for 6 ounces of baby spinach, which is just like a big handful. And we're just going to chop this up really fine to mix it into our cheese. Okay, and then we're just going to add that into our bowl. And mix it in. Okay, and we're going to set that aside and get our chicken breast ready. And I'm going to cut off this extra fat here. So now we're going to cut about 2/3 of the way through. Oops, and I messed it up. Oh no! That's okay. We'll try it on this one. Maybe it'll be better. Not great. But now we are going to add our cheese into the cut we just made and stuff the chicken breast like that. There we go. Okay, and then with clean hands, I'm going to go ahead and add some salt to our chicken breasts. Some paprika. And a little bit of black pepper. We're going to add just a little bit of oil here. We're just going to kind of mix the oil and the seasoning together just to give it a nice coating. Okay, and these are ready for the machine. So what's really cool about this app is that it has a video tutorial, so it's kind of foolproof. And it also has written directions. And also, if your DREO is on, you can hit just send to device and it will just program it automatically so you don't have to push all the buttons. So we're going to add our chicken to our basket. And then we're going to put our basket into our machine. And on our app, we're just going to hit send to device. And it is going. Look at that. It's 16 minutes at 375. And I'm going to hit play. And it's starting. And now on my phone, on the app, it's giving me a live countdown of the time remaining. And it gives you kind of different options like stopping it, turning light on and off, stuff like that. So, very cool. Love this. Let's see how these turn out. Okay, our timer just went off, and in the meantime, I've made the rest of these. My cuts were much better on these. I should have filmed that, but I got it right after some practice. So let's see how these turned out. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So cheesy and gooey and delicious. So I'm gonna pull these out and plate them up. And I'm gonna get this extra cheese out so it doesn't burn with the next batch. So I just took a couple of seconds to rinse this with hot water and it came out so easily. So we'll put our grill back in and add in our next pieces of chicken and just keep going. So my husband and I are gonna go enjoy these while these cook for lunch leftovers. And that was probably the easiest baked chicken I've ever made. So again, I am loving this machine. I think it is so easy. So we'll get the new ones in and get it started. There we go. All right, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.